Have you found yourself needing or wanting a special or specific recipe for the holidays? Come with me, I'll show you what to do. It's not good to wait until the last minute. You want to make sure you have all of your ingredients, and if you need to prepare it ahead of time, you can do that too to make sure it comes out right on the day of. The holidays are just about up on us, and we all love to cook our favorite dishes, and sometimes we like to experiment. I wanted to let you all know that if you all are looking for any holiday recipes at all, I probably already have them on my channel. I have a holiday playlist with all kinds of Southern comfort holiday foods. We're talking Southern cornbread dressing. We're talking our classic mac and cheese and candied sweet potatoes. We're talking German chocolate cake, coconut cake, carrot cake, and apple pie. We're talking creamy mashed potatoes and how to make them not come out gummy. If you are looking for any recipes, don't wait until the last minute. If you need to experiment or make your grocery list, do it now. So if you are looking for any recipes at all, holiday or not, you can type in YouTube search bar, or you can simply type in Google search bar. Cooking at Pam's Place, candied yams. Cooking at Pam's Place, Southern cornbread dressing. Anything you're looking for, type in my channel name and the name of the recipe. If I have made it, it will come up. So be sure to check my holiday playlist. You want to go to my home page. Once you get to the home page, scroll left and you will see playlist. Click on playlist, and then from there scroll till you get to the holiday playlist. You'll find almost 70 recipes in there. And there you have it.